Raitong Government Lower Primary School in Ribhoy celebrated its 75th anniversary yesterday, with Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma announcing plans for a new school building and facilities for 6 other schools in Mauhati constituency. Minister Sangma highlighted the government's commitment to modernizing education in Meghalaya and urged students to embrace language learning. Mauhati MLA Charles Marngar also attended, advocating for more educational institutions in the region. The event featured cultural performances and a reflection on the school's 75-year legacy.
The government of Meghalaya, under the able dynamic leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Madam Amperin Lingda, about 25 number of young people from our state has already gone to Japan and will be sending to Australia, will be sending to Hong Kong, different parts of the world, to serve as a nurse.